Railway operators and maintainers have to deal with a complex environment of diversity of technologies from different manufacturers and eras, in conjunction with a growing mix of constraints in terms of resources, schedules, and operational needs. Nowadays, with the fever of digitalization, a problem arises in terms of how to implement tools to improve maintenance efficiency in a structured, scalable, and rational way, besides having to grapple with issues such as data management, tech adoption, and cultural change. With the right collaborative platform, asset management can be streamlined and member teams can work across departments seamlessly to eliminate non-value-added effort. Smart Motors offers SAVANA as a game changer to streamline all the digitalization initiatives within your railway network. SAVANA integrates all the solutions for the different departments as signaling, infrastructure, rolling stock, operations, or energy. The web-based platform is fed by the data available, smart motor sensors and IoT devices, third-party equipment and other software, has ERP systems, allowing to maximize the benefits of existing tools and drive your digitalization strategy. It has a clear focus on data governance, tech adoption, and departmental cooperation, the key elements needed for any successful railway company. Railway operators and maintainers have a clear edge when they use SAVANA, the digitalization platform. They can reduce complexity and gain efficiencies through automated processes and AI for breakdown prediction. Able to react quickly, maintainers instantly adapt their management. Condition-based maintenance calendars are key for cost reduction and increase of availability. Considering preventive, predictive, and corrective maintenance, SAVANA automated calendars are designed to use your resources where the impact is the highest. It follows a strategy which includes operational and timing constraints. Prioritization algorithms are set taking into account the condition, failure modes, and mean time between failure, while adding preventive requirements. Regarding data, there is no need to monitor all the assets, but having them all on the same platform is mandatory. Thanks to SAVANA, by crossing data with ERP and other information systems, achieving efficient depot management is possible. Closing the loop with interactive tools for the workforce ensures a significant improvement in efficiency, as automation on parts of the process resulted in productivity increasing by over 30% in some areas. Moreover, the automatic reporting of anomalies detected by artificial intelligence help the maintainers to achieve availability improvements of around 40%. Today, to stay ahead of unexpected breakdowns or a lack of resources, you need to innovate even more. Discover the CBM strategies enabled by Smart Motors and its digitalization platform that supports clients with their daily tasks. We are the developers of next-generation tools for the transport industry. Introducing the SAVANA digitalization platform with a holistic condition-based maintenance strategy will allow us to adapt to the future situation. Head over to www.smartmotors.org and get connected, trade ideas, and have a full experience.